was minding my own business and he comes over here just to lay by me. I was literally sitting here holding it for him. He gave it to me so I could hold it so he could chew on it. I'm not about to hold that thing forever. Took a shower, feeling refreshed, feeling good. Whew. That's all I needed. I need to go edit some videos. I just need to do it in advance because doing it at the last minute isn't working for me no more. Like, it's not doing it for me no more. So my arms are killing me. You know, this thing comes in handy. Everything about the hair. I'm getting some things in the mail today. I ordered a case for my tablet. I have a case on it, but I mean like a carrying case to make sure it's secure and it doesn't break or anything like that. So I bought one. Also, I'm going to be trying the TikTok lip plumper thing. I think I want to do the video today, but at the same time I might just do that tomorrow. I don't know. I'm just excited to try it. I don't need it for my lips at all. I like my lips the way they are, but why not give it a try and see if it actually works? I see a lot of people using it and trying it and just trying the daytime one. I want to try the daytime and the nighttime one. I don't want to just do one. I want to do both and see how that works. Maybe I'll do it for a whole week and see how that goes. Who knows? But that part will be in my vlog. I have so many things that I want to do. I don't know. But I know for a fact I'm going to be using it and I want to see how that works. I want to make sure that I use my TikTok more often because I really like making videos and I did it quite a few times before. I think it's interesting. I'm still learning the app and getting used to it and all that. So I have like a good 5 videos that I never posted on there. They're just in the private category. But you know, I want to just really just throw myself out there. That's it. Does anybody ever have bad days? Like where they feel like just down, not right, depressed, any of that? Does anybody ever have those days? I know there's a few people that actually post about it, talk about it on their social media, YouTube, whatever. Not a lot of people do that. They only show the good and only the good, and nobody is perfect. So I'm just curious, does anybody ever feel like that? And if you do, just know that you're not alone. You're so much more than you think. You are worthy. You are magnificent. And just remember, no matter how down you feel and how you feel in the moment, it's only temporary and it will get better. It will always get better. You got this. Just keep on going. Keep on spreading positivity. Keep on talking positive about yourself. What I used to do is put little things up, like positive things like you're beautiful, you're all this stuff. Because I know whenever you're feeling down or whatever, you don't really feel the brightest about yourself or whatever, but just know it's only temporary and you're worth it. Just wanted to throw that out there because I have my moments as well, and I just remind myself to breathe. It's only temporary. On a positive note, my stuff is like 7 steps away, so I'm excited. I am so sore from working out. It's not even funny, and I have to work out again today. All the way until Friday. I'm like, I don't know how my legs are going to survive. I don't know how. I really want a treadmill. I was tempted to buy one, but honestly, I could see if I could just go to the gym at our apartment building, because you know, we don't live in a house no more. I wanted to do Lauren's 12-3-30 because I know when I was doing it, it was very intense, and I couldn't even fully do the 12-3-30 for 30 minutes. 12 incline and 3 speed sounds like a little for 30 minutes, but very intense. So I want to do that again. I know I was sweating a lot when I did it, so I really want to do it. I'm trying to lose some weight, be healthy, stay healthy. I just want to spread positivity in the world and just let you know that you're not alone. You are not alone. This day and how you're feeling will pass. You got me, I got you. Positivity anyways. Okay, redundant. Thank you for listening. You know, my actual personality is starting to come out. I feel so weird when I'm around, like, I don't know, I just have to keep on reminding myself that who cares? It's about you. I'm getting a little bit more comfortable with using this camera. It was a little intimidating when I first started using it, but it's not that bad. It's kind of cute, actually, just staring at it. I just gotta remember not to look at myself in it. I'm trying to look, as long as I'm not looking over there. There we go, I'm just rambling at this point. I got it. Oh, it's purple. Good morning. Okay, so it's the next day. I need to take these chairs out, shit. But it's a new day to be amazing. I just did my makeup. I think it looks so cute. I'm getting so much better at doing my makeup. It's not even funny. Anyways, I'm about to do the second half of this video. I did it at night and now I'm about to do it in the morning. I just wanted to look cute for some piece of the video. So, and it gave me an excuse to do my makeup, so here we are. What do you think? And let me set up so I can make this video right now. Oh my god. So I tried it out. I don't really see much of a difference. I guess maybe it is a little fuller. But honestly, there's not much of a difference. I like it for a lip gloss, so I think I'm going to continue to use it. I'm about to edit the video I just made, and yeah. As you know, I've been doing the teeth whitening thing, and we noticed a difference already. We have only been doing the top so we can see a difference in our teeth, and I see it. Like, if you look, you see it? And then look. That is a complete difference. It's so crazy. Like, what? That's my big tooth. If you don't remember me vlogging about it when I was doing my braces updates and all that. I was supposed to get it pulled out, but I just haven't yet. Probably should, but I haven't. I still have to do the bottom parts, but I can't continue my, you know, teeth journey until I get that plucked out and get an implant in there. But I don't know, I've just been slacking, honestly. I need to do better. I probably should do a teeth update. I think I will, about the whitening and all that, so that you guys can see the difference and know what happened with my teeth journey, because I just basically stopped making videos for YouTube. So I think I should do that. I am starving though, and I really need to get something to snack on. Eat or snack on something, because I am starving. Ready for me. You're so cute. I love you, baby. I love you. Have you ever looked inside your fridge and freezer and just not see anything you want to eat? Yeah, I'm currently having that moment. Dang, I didn't get that though. So we're making some French toast and, well, cinnamon French toast, whatever, and some, why are you laughing? What? Exactly. Yo, you want me to move my wine? I'm drinking wine and he has me drinking by myself, basically. Anyways.
I'm drinking Kool-Aid. That's what that's.
I have no words. We're about to make taquitos and French toast.
That's what I do with drink Kool-Aid.
He's a sugar fiend, so
Hey man,
he eats and drinks anything sugar. I'm shocked you have perfect teeth though.
Hey man, over here checking. Do I still got good teeth?
Yes, you do. I put 5 in there. You want me to get 2?
No, honey, I just don't have enough space.
Yeah, you do. Look at this.
No,
I'm gonna just show you. We're not gonna put it.
We're not gonna do that. We're just gonna wait.
You can fit one right there. Right there.
Until we're done. We're not gonna do that.
Then you should have just. What the fuck?
What do you mean? What the fuck?
I put this inside of the cinnamon stick one. I'm like, why am I like this?
I would have been trying to get some more salmon stick, knowing damn well we ran out.
Yep.
Now we got tortillas in the cinnamon.
Tortillas and it's cinnamon. We're gonna save this one for next time. For me.
Yeah, maybe. No, maybe no. Come on, I wanted one more.
You wanted one more?
Yep.
You have 3.
It don't matter what.
Well, if you're gonna make another one, then make me another one too.
Sounded like you being greedy because I knew what I wanted.
I wanted to, but since you didn't want to throw in another one, you might as well make them all red roll.
No, I'm not eating them all. Oh, it's gonna be uneven. Oh, that makes more sense. Here, take it back. Take it back. Take it back. I didn't see that shit. Take it back. Take it back.
Anyways, I just wanted to make a little vlog, and there it goes. I'm not about to waste memory on this. Hi, Blue. You're joining us? Hey, buddy. Blue. Oh, my babies. Okay, he licked my makeup off. Okay, I'm done.
I'm not happy no more.
It's okay. I gotta wash it off anyways. Anyways, yep. It was a little... I can't think right now. Oh, my God. I'm having brain farts up there. Intimidating. Talking with the sex. Ignore my lisp. Ignore the lisp. I just gotta talk slower. I just have to talk slower. Oh my God. I need to take this out.
Definitely not using none of that, please. Swear to
I'm
God,
not.
don't do it.
I was a water. It's gonna be at the ending.